Hello, my name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. In my today's real short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start with Endpoint Central Cloud when it comes to activate your account. Have fun.
All right, let's start to create a new cloud account. Let's go to manageengine.com. Choose a product. I'm going to choose today the MSP edition from Endpoint Central. Let's go on free trial, cloud. And let's fill out the data. The email address, company name. And then it is really important to have a look if you're in the right data center. If you're not in the right data center, you can change it there. Now creation is in progress. And we will receive an email with an activation link. So check your inbox for that email. Takes a while. All right. Now, fill in your passwords. Yeah. And log into your fresh created account. Here, right away, you can already start downloading your clients, adding some agents, and yeah, you're in the free edition from the beginning. And yeah, so have fun with it.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and have fun with your cloud account. See you.